Corn Dry Milling Products Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global corn dry milling products market size will be $9,614.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America corn dry milling products market size of $3,845.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe corn dry milling products market size of $2,884.35 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific corn dry milling products market size of $2,211.34 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America corn dry milling products market size of $480.73 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa corn dry milling products market size of $192.29 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.